Hey everyone, welcome to Motivotalks. If you've ever felt stuck or frustrated with your finances, this video is exactly what you need to hear. The tips I'm sharing today could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Have you ever wondered why some people work tirelessly but still feel stuck? Or why it seems like no matter how much you chase money, it always slips through your fingers? Or why some people seem to be surviving but never enough to thrive? Well, here's the truth. You're not poor because of luck, your family background, or because life is unfair. You're struggling financially because of 5 common, yet invisible mistakes that could be quietly ruining your financial future. The moment you understand these 5 mistakes, everything will change: your mindset, your habits, and your financial trajectory. So let's dive right in and talk about the 5 money mistakes that are secretly keeping you poor. These mistakes are simple but powerful. Millions of people around the world are losing out financially because of them. But not you. Not after today. Today you'll wake up to the truth and take control of your financial future. The first mistake is simple, but it holds more people back than anything else: spending money to look rich instead of actually becoming rich. So many people fall into this trap without even realizing it. Buying fancy clothes, the latest gadgets, or a luxury car just to impress others. But here's the painful truth. Trying to look rich is the easiest way to stay poor. When you buy things to impress others, you're trading your future for temporary admiration. The truly wealthy don't act rich. They invest in things that will actually grow their wealth. They focus on freedom, time, and assets that bring in more money. Don't fall into the trap of social media pressure and the keeping up with the Joneses mindset. Stop wasting money on things that don't add value to your life. If you want to get rich, stop trying to look rich. Mistake number 2 is something that many people believe to be harmless: saving money but never investing it. Sure, saving is important, but it won't make you rich. If your money is just sitting in a bank account, it's not growing. It's losing value due to inflation. Money that doesn't work for you is dying slowly. The real key to growing wealth is investing. Whether it's in the stock market, a business, or even in your own skills and education. Start small but start consistently. Over time, those small investments will compound and grow. Don't let your money sit idle. Let it work for you. Mistake number 3 is a big one: buying things you can't afford. Credit cards, loans, and the buy now, pay later schemes create an illusion of wealth. You might feel great swiping your card or driving that new car, but the reality is you're borrowing money to pay for things that won't bring long-term value. Debt is a trap. It steals your peace of mind and limits your future choices. The key to breaking free from debt is simple: buy only what you can truly afford. If you can't pay for it in full without borrowing, don't buy it. Focus on long-term financial stability over short-term gratification. Mistake number 4 is one that many people don't realize is risky: relying on only one source of income. Whether it's a job or a single business, depending on one income is extremely risky. Life is unpredictable. Jobs can be lost, businesses can fail, and unexpected expenses can arise. The solution? Multiple streams of income. You don't need 10 different income sources, but having 2 or 3 can provide the security and freedom you need to live confidently. Whether it's through freelancing, investing, or side businesses, start creating extra income streams today to protect yourself from the unexpected. The final and most important mistake is never educating yourself about money. Most people learn how to work for money, but they never learn how money works. They don't understand investments, assets, liabilities, or how to build wealth. This lack of financial education is one of the main reasons people remain stuck in the cycle of financial struggle. To break free from that cycle, you need to educate yourself about money, understand how investments work, how to build assets, and how to plan for your financial future. Knowledge is power. Investing in your financial education will empower you to make smart, life-changing decisions. Now that you know the 5 money mistakes keeping you poor, it's time to take action. Stop spending to look rich, start investing, stop living above your means, create multiple income streams, and start learning about money. Your financial freedom starts today. Start taking control of your financial future. Don't wait for the perfect moment, begin now. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motivational content. You're not here to impress anyone. You're here to build your financial freedom. Let's make it happen together.